Bonding is one of the simplest and quickest hair extension installation methods. The first step is to cut your wefts to fit your desired placement. Then add your liquid gold to the top of the weft. You need to add enough that it creates a beaded line across the top of that weft. Once you have your liquid gold in place, you need to wait until it becomes tacky. If you position it in place too soon, you're actually going to have that adhesive sink into your natural hair rather than stay on the extensions with the natural hair where it needs to be to give the best hold. I'm just going to shake that out for a little bit. You can start to see it dry around the edges. That's a good sign. Okay, once we have it tacky enough to position, we're going to position it on the natural hair just below the part line. I'm going to hold that in place for a few seconds, make sure that it's set. And from there, we're ready to move on to our additional rows. We're going to do that until we've completed our desired style.